Grade 2 students, how are you all? How are you all feeling on this new day of which week? We are on 22nd week, right? And this is the first, excuse me, first day of 22nd week. My God, we have covered so many weeks in this whole session. That's great. And now we are coming to an end. We are coming to an end of this session, this whole session that you people have studied with me. We are very, very near to the end. Now we only have 2 more weeks, and then you will be in you will be in a new grade, in a new class, right? Now this is 22nd week, then we will have 23rd week, 1 more week of studying time, and then the 24th week is the week when we are going to revise everything. Whatever we have covered in this whole session, we are going to revise in week number 24. We will do revision in this week, in week 24, and after that week, you'll be having your final exams. My God, aren't you all excited to go in a new class? Aren't you all? Yes, I'm sure you must be. You must be excited to go to a new class, right? But for that, what you have to do, children? Yes, for that you have to study. You have to revise. You have to study very, very hard to go to a new class. You have to revise everything that we have done in this session. Not in this session, in this term actually, term 2. Whatever we have covered in the second term, you have to revise that, you have to study that. Okay? And if you have any issue, like if you have any problem in understanding any topic, in understanding any unit, you are always welcome to ask me. You can always ask me and I'll explain that to you again and again until you are through with that topic, until you have understood that topic. You got my point, class? Yes? So start studying now, start revising now, and check it out and see that whether you have any issue, whether you have any problem in understanding any topic, so that you can ask me. Okay, class? Now, coming to the topic. Now, what was the topic that we have covered last week, the last day? There is a topic that we were doing, and can you tell me the name of that unit? The topic name, the unit name? Yes, it was Christopher's bicycle. We started this unit, Christopher's bicycle. And what was the last thing that we have done? The last topic that we did on Friday. That was about grammar part, homophones, right? We have done homophones, and you know what homophones are? Correct. They are the same sound words with different meanings and different spellings. Now today also we'll be doing some grammar part, and what that grammar part actually is, that grammar part are L-E, say with me, L-E, E-L, A-L, and I-L ending words. The words that are end with L-E, E-L, A-L, I-L, and yes, and I-L endings. The words that end with these letters, letters, those words we are going to study today, right? Now, how we are going to do that? Now, see class. I'm going to show you a picture and you are going to find out these ending words from that picture. First, you are going to read those words with me. You will tell me their meanings and then we will go about. Now, can you all see my camel? Yes? Where have you seen camel? You have seen in videos, you have seen in movies. It's a desert animal, right? You must have known this. You have studied this in your science lesson that it's a desert animal. Camel lives in desert, right? Because it can store food in its hump. Remember that? Yes. Okay. Now let's read the words. The first word, can you all see what is this? Pedal. 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 What's a pedal? Yes, it's in the bicycles. The pedal that you press, it's in the bicycle, right? It's a part of a bicycle. Medal. Yes, medal. What is medal? You get a medal somewhere, right? You won when you if you have won a race, you might get a silver medal, a golden medal, right? Okay. Model. You make a picture of something, so it's a model of something. Camel, you know that. Handle, a handle of something. It could be a handle of a door, a handle of a car, a handle of anything. Nostrils. What are nostrils? You know? No? You see here in your nose, these two holes, these are called nostrils. Okay? Fossil. Fossil. What's a fossil? Okay, I'll tell you in a minute. Pencil. You know what's a pencil? Yes, the pencil through which you write down. Yes, correct. So now you have seen these words and you have seen the meanings of these words, right? Now let's see some other thing. Now, now let's read these words one more time. Pedal, medal, model, camel, handle, nostril, fossil, and pencil. Now, what's fossil? Fossil is actually the remains of any plant or any animal which are found in a rock or anywhere. Remains means once that plant or that animal has died, the plant has died. So whatever is the remain, it could be a skeleton of bones, or it could be anything of a plant or an animal, that we call it fossil. You understood? That is a fossil, a remain of any plant or any animal, which is found somewhere in the rock or somewhere in the forest or anywhere. Now, coming back to the work, now let's write down one word for each of this family. Now, this is the family of LE. Now, what is a LE word? Can you just tell me any LE word which you have also read over there, which I have written on the camel? Handle. Very good. Handle. Can you see the sound? Handle. Handle. D-E-L. Dill. Handle. Okay. Now E-L word. Can you just remember some of the E-L word? Handle. Yes. Camel. C-A-M-E-L. Camel. Camel. How the sound is? Camel. Handle. Right? Okay. Now AL word. Any AL word? Come on quickly. Medal. Correct. M-A-D-E-L. Sorry. B-A-L. Okay. Now M-E-D-A-L. Medal. Medal. D-A-L. Dill. Medal. You have seen, I've explained you what's a medal. You also know what is a medal. You must have known now. Yes, you are all in grade 2. You must know that. Next is IL, the last word. What do you write with? Yes, pencil. I'll write it here. Pencil. C-I-L, sil. Pencil. So you see how these words, when their sounds are different. Come on, read it with you. Handle. Handle. Then camel. Camel. Then medal. Medal. Pencil. Now see, all these words, they have different endings, and so their ending sounds are also different. Camel, pencil, medal, handle, they all have different ending sounds. Yes or no? Now, can you think about some other words that have the same ending, like handle? Which other word had the same ending, that is L-E, handle? A tunnel. Tunnel also have a T-U-N-N-E-L, tunnel, right? Camel, E-L word. Can you just model? Very good. Model is also E-L. Then comes A-L word. Medal you have done. Any other A-L word? Signal also you can say it has A-L endings, right? And IL word, like fossil, correct, it has IL at the end. So all these words have different endings, right? Okay, now let's make a quick